Water timing hacks for clear skin. Weight loss and energy introduction water is essential for maintaining optimal health. But did you know that the timing of when you drink water can significantly impact its benefits, from aiding digestion to reducing the risk of serious health issues? Drinking water at the right times can maximize its effectiveness on the human body. In this explanation video, we'll break down the best times to drink water and how each timing contributes to your overall well-being. After waking up, drinking water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your body's internal systems, flushes out toxins, cleanses the urinary tract, and activates your internal organs, preparing them for the day ahead. This habit also rehydrates your body after hours of sleep. After workout, replenishing fluids after exercise is crucial. Water helps remove toxins produced during physical activity, cleanses the urinary tract, and reactivates your organs. It also aids in muscle recovery and prevents dehydration. Before taking a bath, drinking water before a bath can help lower blood pressure. The warm water from the bath dilates blood vessels, and staying hydrated ensures your body maintains proper circulation. Half an hour before a meal, consuming water before meals aids digestion by preparing your stomach for food intake. It also helps control portion sizes, preventing overeating before going to bed. A glass of water before bed replenishes fluids lost during the day and reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack by maintaining proper blood viscosity. When you think you are hungry, sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drinking water can help you determine if you're truly hungry or just dehydrated, preventing unnecessary calorie intake. Whenever you sweat excessively, sweating leads to fluid loss, so it's important to rehydrate to maintain energy levels and prevent dehydration. Before, during, and after exercise, staying hydrated during physical activity ensures optimal performance, prevents cramps, and aids in recovery. When you are sick, water helps flush out toxins, supports the immune system, and keeps your body hydrated, which is especially important when you're unwell, when you are in a midday slump feeling sluggish. Drinking water can recharge your system, improve focus, and combat fatigue. When you have a headache, dehydration is a common cause of headaches. Drinking water can alleviate pain and restore balance. When you feel thirsty, thirst is your body's way of signaling dehydration. Drinking water when thirsty keeps you content and hydrated. When you are feeling tired, water helps recharge your system by improving circulation and delivering oxygen to your cells, boosting energy levels. Conclusion. Drinking water at the right times can significantly enhance its benefits, from improving digestion to reducing health risks. By staying mindful of when and why you drink water, you can optimize your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please share, watch, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Remember, staying hydrated is key to a healthy lifestyle. Cheers to better health.